Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best charge controllers for 100-watt solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Solperk 10A Solar Charge Controller. This product stands out with its IP67 waterproof design, making it perfect for outdoor use in all weather conditions. It supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, with a maximum power rating of 150 watts for 12-volt and 300 watts for 24-volt setups, making it versatile for various applications like RVs, boats, and cars. The intelligent 3-stage PWM charging optimizes battery performance while extending its lifespan, and its ultra-low standby power consumption makes it energy efficient. In terms of design, the Solperk controller is compact, lightweight, and easy to install, thanks to pre-drilled holes and its SAE port plug-and-play feature. The LED indicators provide clear feedback on the working status of your system, including solar panel input, battery health, and load output. While the controller doesn't have an LCD display like other models, the simplicity of its design ensures reliability and ease of use for beginners. Performance-wise, this controller excels at providing consistent protection against undervoltage, overvoltage, overloads, and short circuits. However, it lacks advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity or USB charging ports, ideal for users who need a no-frills option for basic solar setups. This controller offers solid value for its price. Pros include its waterproof build and ease of installation, while cons include the absence of advanced monitoring features. At number 4, we have the HQST 100-watt portable solar panel suitcase with a 30-amp PWM charge controller. This product features industry-leading 9-busbar technology, which reduces the risk of microcracks and enhances durability. While its grade A+ monocrystalline cells deliver an impressive 23% conversion efficiency. This makes it a great choice for users seeking maximum power output in a compact form factor. The included 30A PWM charge controller is versatile enough to handle lithium and lead-acid batteries, and the suitcase design ensures portability for RV trips, camping, or off-grid applications. Design-wise, the HQST solar panel suitcase is built for durability with rugged corner protectors, tempered glass, and a sturdy aluminum frame. It also includes 2 kickstands for easy setup, making it user-friendly for outdoor enthusiasts. The IP65 rated junction box ensures dust and water resistance, while the heavy-duty canvas bag provides additional protection during transport. Its foldable design makes storage a breeze, although it's slightly heavier than competitors at 22.6 pounds. In terms of performance, the HQST excels in efficiency and durability, but its PWM controller may not be as advanced as MPPT options for users focused on maximizing energy harvest. Pros include its high efficiency, robust build, and portability, while cons include its heavier weight and the lack of advanced monitoring features like Bluetooth connectivity. This product is ideal for users who need a reliable portable solar solution for outdoor adventures. At number 3, we have the Depco 100A MPPT Solar Charge Controller. This model stands out with its upgraded MPPT technology, offering up to 99% tracking efficiency to maximize energy harvest from your solar panels. It's compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, and includes dual USB ports for charging small devices directly. The LCD display provides clear visibility into system parameters and allows easy configuration of modes and timer settings, perfect for home, industrial, and commercial applications. Design-wise, the Depco controller features a durable ABS plastic housing and a compact layout. It's equipped with multiple safety protections, including overcurrent, short circuit, and inverse connection safeguards, ensuring reliable operation in all conditions. While it doesn't have waterproofing, its robust design makes it suitable for indoor and sheltered outdoor installations. Performance-wise, this controller provides excellent efficiency and safety features, making it a standout choice for users prioritizing energy optimization and battery longevity. Pros include its advanced MPPT technology, user-friendly interface, and dual USB ports, while cons include the lack of waterproofing and slightly bulky dimensions. Ideal for users seeking advanced functionality for larger-scale solar setups. This controller delivers strong value for performance-focused buyers. At number 2, we have the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel with a 20A waterproof charger controller. This solar suitcase is designed for portability and ease of use, featuring a foldable design with adjustable kickstands and a rugged canvas protective case. With a 20A waterproof charge controller, it's compatible with multiple 12-volt battery types, making it ideal for outdoor and off-grid applications. The monocrystalline solar cells deliver up to 22% efficiency, ensuring reliable power generation. The build quality of this Renogy solar panel is impressive, with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and tempered glass for durability. The included alligator clips provide flexibility in connecting to various battery types, while the waterproof charge controller ensures reliable operation in challenging weather conditions. Weighing in at 26.6 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other portable options, but offers unmatched durability and reliability. Performance-wise, this product shines in its ability to handle outdoor conditions and deliver consistent power output. The advanced PWM technology of the charge controller ensures safe and efficient charging, but users seeking higher efficiency may prefer MPPT controllers. Pros include its rugged design, portability, and compatibility with multiple battery types, while cons include its heavier weight and a higher price point. This product is perfect for users who need a robust portable solution for off-grid living or extended outdoor adventures. Finally, at number 1, we have the Renogy 10-amp 12-volt 24-volt PWM negative ground solar charge controller, Wanderer 10A. This product is the ultimate choice for budget-conscious users, offering advanced features at an affordable price of just $20.47. It utilizes intelligent 4-stage charging to optimize power delivery and extend battery life by preventing overcharging and gas buildup. The negative ground design makes it safer for RV and marine installations, and its compact size ensures easy integration into tight spaces. The build quality of the Wanderer 10A is excellent, with a durable IP32 rated waterproof design and a lightweight construction at just 4.3 ounces. The backlit LCD display offers real-time monitoring of voltage, current, and system status, while the integrated USB port allows direct device charging. For users seeking remote monitoring, the RS-232 port connects to Renogy's DC Home app via a Bluetooth module, adding convenience and control to your setup. In terms of performance, this charge controller delivers reliable efficiency with ultra-low power consumption, ensuring maximum utilization of your solar panels. Pros include its affordability, advanced safety features, and versatile battery compatibility, while cons include the lack of MPPT technology for higher energy harvest. Ideal for DIY solar projects and professional installations alike, the Renogy Wanderer 10A is the best overall choice in this lineup for its unbeatable combination of features and price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.